Bitcoin trades below $17,000, Ether floats above $1,200. Sam Bankman-Fried denies moving funds from Alameda post-bail. Lido overtakes MakerDAO and now has the highest TVL in DeFi. $62 million crypto stolen in December was the lowest monthly figure in 2022. Bitcoin core developer loses $3.5 million in BTC in a supposed exploit. Hello and welcome to 3.2 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Cryptocurrency markets have begun 2023 on a positive note by reporting moderate gains in the last 24 hours. Trading activity remains largely somber ahead of the key economic data released, starting with initial jobless data and the minutes of the FOMC meeting, which is scheduled to be announced later in the week. Manoj Dhara joins to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrency was trading higher by 1.5% at 24,260 points. The global digital asset market stepped into 2023 with a cumulative market cap under $800 billion. The year 2022 proved to be very hard for the crypto market cap as it shed roughly around $2 trillion. The lack of major data events and the New Year holiday may restrict the trade participants, analysts believe. The crypto market cap is marginally up in the last 24 hours to stand at $807 billion. The last 24 hours trading volume is although higher by 18% to stand at $22 billion. In a very interesting news, Grayscale, Bitcoin Trust and the bankrupt Bitcoin miner Core Scientific both received huge investment boost from the crypto asset manager Valkyrie Investments and the BlackRock respectively. BlackRock has committed $17 million to Core Scientific according to the US Securities and Exchange Commission filings. The amount mentioned is a part of $75 million loan convertible note that holders secured by the miners. Meanwhile, the US payrolls are projected to have risen by around 2 lakh in December. The data will be released on Jan 5th. Please keep an eye on this event. The first trading day for the US stock market will be on Jan 3rd, 2023. On account of the New Year holiday, the US stock market is closed. If you talk about the largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin was trading at $16,722, up by 1%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto by market cap, was up by 1.7%, trading at $1,216. If you talk about the other altcoins, on my left is Binance BNB was trading higher by 1% at $246. Solana Sol was next on the list, was up by 10.7%, trading at $11. Avalanche FX was trading at $11.2, higher by 3.7%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 2.8% at $0.77. Cardano's ADA token was up by 3%, was trading at $0.25. Doge, the popular meme coin SBC, was trading higher by 3% at $0.071. Shiba Inu was next on the list, was up by 1.5%. Ripple's XRP token was at $0.34, up by 1.5%. Last on the list was Polkadot, was trading higher by 3.5% at $4.5.
Thank you, Manoj, for your in-depth analysis on the cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Sam Bankman-Fried, the disgraced founder of the new defunct trading firm Alameda Research and its sister company FTX, took to Twitter to deny involvement in a series of unidentified transfers and token swaps that came from wallets associated with Alameda Research. The crypto wallets associated with now bankrupt trading firm Alameda Research, the sister company of FTX, was seen transferring out funds just days after the former CEO Sam Bankman-Fried were released on a $250 million bond. In response to a media report that discussed transfers involving people with connections to Alameda, Sam Bankman-Fried tweeted, "None of these are me." He further claimed not to have access to them in the first place. Liquid staking protocol Lido Finance appears to have benefited most from the Ethereum merge in September, with its total value locked now sitting at the top position among other decentralized finance protocols. According to data from DeFi Llama, Lido's liquid staking protocol now commands $5.9 billion in TVL compared to MakerDAO's $5.89 billion and Awa's $3.7 billion. according to the Lido finance website, as at Jan 2nd had $5.8 billion Ether staked. Meanwhile, there was around $23.2 million staked in Solana, $43.9 million in Polygon, $11 million in Polkadot, and $2.2 million in Kusama. Lido's model allows users access to liquid Ether staking without committing to the traditional 32 ETH minimum. Cryptocurrency hackers and exploiters seemingly slowed down for the 2022 holidays as December saw $62.2 million worth of cryptocurrency stolen, the lowest monthly figure of the year. According to Certic, the blockchain security company on December 31st tweeted a list of the month's most significant attacks. It highlighted the $15.5 million worth of exit scams as the method that stole the most value over the month, followed by the $7.6 million worth of flash loan-based exploits. A later tweet on January 1st confirmed that the 23 largest exploits were responsible for around 98.5% of the $62.2 million figure, with the $15 million Helio protocol incident on December 2nd the largest of the month. The second largest incident of the month was the $12.9 million exploit of Defrost Finance V1 and V2 protocol on December 23rd, where an attacker carried out a flash loan attack by adding a fake collateral token and a malicious price oracle to liquidate the protocol. Days after the exploit, the hacker returned the funds stolen from the V1 protocol to an address controlled by Defrost, though funds are yet to have been returned from the V2 hack. The December figure is much lower than the month prior, seeing an 89.5% decrease from the $595 million worth of exploits across 36 major incidents Certic recorded in November, a figure largely skewed by the $477 million hack of the crypto exchange FTX. Veteran Bitcoin core dev Luke Dasher took to Twitter on January 1st to reveal that his GPG key was compromised in a hack that resulted in the loss of a significant amount of BTC. Dasher added that he was unaware of how this happened. According to CZ, the dev lost over 200 BTC, which is approximately worth $3.5 million at today's prices. The developer's thread on the entire event revealed that the hacker used CoinJoin, a tool that enhances privacy by anonymizing Bitcoin transactions to obfuscate the funds movement. Upon discovering the theft, Dasher tried to contact the FBI. Dasher said he has no idea how the attackers gained access to his PGP, which is pretty good privacy key. A PGP key is an encryption program that offers cryptographic privacy and authentication. The theft comes a little over a month after the developer revealed that his server was accessed by an unknown person and confirmed the presence of new malware or backdoors on the system. Upon further investigation, Dasher then found that it was specifically created to compromise his server instead of being a bog standard Trojan. Now let's have an update on the 3 buzzing stocks of the day. The DogeCoin Foundation and its board of directors recently announced the establishment of a new developer fund. The foundation has allocated 5 million Doge to this fund in order to promote the development of the DogeCoin core platform. The development fund is managed by existing core developers and board directors' signatories. Throughout each release cycle, all payments will be tracked and reported on across all social media platforms used by the foundation. The fund is protected by 3 out of 5 signatures from custodians chosen by the foundation board. It has been announced that 500,000 Doge will be distributed to contributors credited in each core release for each major or minor update. Doge was trading at $0.07, up 0.74% in the past 24 hours with a market capitalization of $9 billion. Decentraland Mana, the cryptocurrency launched in 2020 by Ariel Milich and Esteban Ordano, failed to capitalize on some of the positive developments within its ecosystem this year, ending 2022 in a beaten state. Over the last year, the digital coin has lost 91% of its value, failing to recover from the massive price drops caused by a series of unfortunate events that plagued the crypto space and the growing market uncertainty. The digital token is currently worth $0.29 and has lost 10.3% of its value over the last 7 days. Decentraland has also had a difficult last 30 days, with the altcoin losing 27.3% of its value. Mana was trading at $0.30, up 3.27% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $5 million. PancakeSwap users have until midnight on January 3rd to stake their cake tokens in the pottery for a chance to win weekly draws from the prize pot. PancakeSwap is launching a new pottery cohort for the month of January with a total prize pot of nearly $60,000 and counting. Users stake cake tokens for a 10-week locking period at 11.53% APY, a lower rate than normal cake staking. This is because 80% of staking rewards are added to the prize pool, with winners chosen weekly over the course of 10 weeks. Users who want to participate in the pottery must stake at least one cake token by midnight UTC on January 3rd. Cake was trading at $3.17, up 0.14% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $5 million. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share and subscribe to 3.0 TV. Have a great day.